Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Today I'm excited about this 2022 Boston Whaler 28 Vantage. This boat's about 6 months old, beautiful boat. It was ordered for a client. Got lots of neat features on it, including our anchor windlass like we normally have up front with the stainless steel anchor, and of course the control up here as well as at the helm. But this one does have the beach boarding ladder, which goes over so that at the beach we can get in and out of the boat very easily. Also has the shower up here so that we can rinse and take care of getting sand off or the salt water as well. Then on this side, big storage area. A typical Boston Whaler, you'll notice the rubber seal here as well as the indentation, so this is a good dry spot here. And you'll also notice fold down armrest and just how comfortable and big this seating area is up front here. So I got plenty of room to stretch out and to enjoy. Also, there's plenty of room here for people if we want to set 4 or 5 adults up in this front area as well. And then the storage over on this side, this opens into under the helm where I've got the table stored to go aft, bucket to keep stuff in, as well as just super neat storage for long items to go in. Then as we head towards the stern, you know, one thing on a whaler, they are so solid. And take an example of this windscreen. Nice big solid all welded frame. And then to keep the wind out, we can close that door, or we can put the tonneau cover on the front. Also, we've got a great storage area. This is the back side of that storage area that we saw from the seat. So again, plenty of room to keep general merchandise and stuff in there as well. Then we've got the big potty in here. And this is the vacuum flush toilet. So it has the holding tank in the aft, so everything gets sucked back to the back. There is some neat storage in here, which you'll see in the photographs. A sink and plenty of headroom in here for a 6'1" guy like myself. Then as we come up to the stern area, a lot of neat features back here. By the way, did I tell you, once again, we're on the Skyhook, the virtual anchor, out here on the Intercoastal Waterway doing the photos on the boat. So, seat back here. So you get a nice big seating area for folks back here, or if we're going to fish, this all acts as a pad so that we can walk up and get over the side of the boat. Nice feature on the 28 is the dive door, and this works good for walking on and off at the dock, as well as the ladder that goes in the water that makes it very easy for older people, or if you got dive gear on, to get in and out of the water. We do also have a swim ladder on the transom. So we've got the 4-step ladder to go down in the water here if you want to. While we're on the transom shower, so again we can rinse off, get rid of the salt, sand, or whatever we don't want to bring in the boat. Transom gate, very easy to open. Fish boxes on each side. And once again, you can see the whaler integrity with the seal and the way that's molded in underneath there. And very simple operations to get into the bilge. That's not good. And very easy to get into the bilge to check the items down there as well. And once again, you'll notice the integrity of how Boston Whaler builds this little dam and the rubber insert here. This deck is a self-bailing deck, so any water that we get on this deck is going to run out these scuppers here in the back. So this is a flush self-bailing deck. Got a great storage area under this seat. This is where the ladder is stored to go for the dive door. And then we can put that up, put this seat down, and use that as a recliner looking forward. Or I can put this back down and tilt this up so that we can use this as a recliner looking aft. Our table goes here. It's stored under the helm like we saw. You'll see some photographs of that and how neat that is for everybody to sit around here. Great storage area under here. Another super storage area here, dry storage. And a little wet bar sink. A couple of the nice features on the 28 is one, the hardtop. And as we talked about, you'll see all the engineering in here, so this hardtop does not move when you're moving the boat, driving the boat in rough water. Also notice the color match under here to the side of the boat. So here at the helm, Marine electronics, our stereo, SmartCraft controls for the motors, all of our switches as well. Tilt steering, electronic controls, and don't forget our joystick, which right now has us on the sky hook. How cool is that? Seating here, I can put the seat down, sit behind and below the windscreen, or I can put the bolster up and sit on it, or stand up and drive with plenty of headroom. Also got plenty of great air coming through here and moving as well. This is a Dynamite 2022 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Absolutely amazing boat. Give me a call. Let's get you out on the water.